As a YouTuber, I rely on my equipment to make a top-notch content. So I wanted to share this vlogging kit with you, but a quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, very nice case. The instructions and the guide. Everything inside. With microphone, ultra bright LED light, and adjustable tripod, I have everything I need to record videos, tutorials, podcasts, and vlogs. Whether I'm using my iPhone, my Android devices, or my camera, with the USB-C adapters, I can count on high-quality audio and easy setup. This kit is a game changer for me, making it effortless to produce engaging content for my viewers.